In the last video, we learned about integers, floats, and Boolean. Now, let's start this video by looking at string variable. Then we will move on to lists and tuples. Let's take a variable and give it a string in double quotes. On printing the variable, string will be printed as it is on screen. Now, let's see what will happen if we add two different strings together. Let's take a new string into another variable. Let's create another variable, and in that variable, we will simply add both the strings. When we print the new variable, you will see both strings are printed together. But there is a problem. There is no gap in between. To add a space between strings, simply take a variable, give the first string, and then add plus sign, then give a space inside quotation marks, and then add another plus sign, then give the other string. On printing, you will notice there is a gap between both sentences. Now, we can also add a full stop after first sentence. Now, let's see if we multiply a string with a number. What would happen? Let's take a variable and store a numeric value inside it. Then we will take a string. Now, let's multiply both variables and see the result. You see, same string is printed 3 times because we multiplied that string with 3. Now, let's try something different. Let's change multiply sign to plus sign and then see the result. Oops, there is an error. It's simply because you cannot directly add string with a number. To do that, we have to convert number into string. Now, string and number is printed together.